Welcome back to the English classroom. My name is Nisha and today's session is a practice session on nouns. I have linked the video on nouns for your reference. If you have any doubts, please do refer to it. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us dive right into the practice exercise. You need to identify the type of nouns. The first one, the dove is a symbol of peace. The options are common noun, abstract noun or collective noun. Peace is an abstract noun. The second one, he gave me a bunch of grapes. Bunch is a collective noun, common noun or an abstract noun. It is a collective noun. The third one, Paris is the capital of France. Your options are common noun, abstract noun or proper noun. The correct answer is proper noun. The next one, our soldiers fought with great courage. Your options are common noun, abstract noun or proper noun. The correct answer is abstract noun. The next one, let's just wait at this bus stop. What kind of noun is it? The options are collective noun, compound noun or proper noun. The correct answer is it's a compound noun. The sixth one, all the girls were singing the song. Your options are common noun, collective noun or proper noun. The correct answer is it is a common noun. Seventh one, the book was lying on the table. Your options are collective noun, common noun or proper noun. Easy one, isn't it? The correct answer is it is a common noun. The eighth one, please pick up a packet of toothpaste from the store. Your options are collective noun, compound noun or proper noun. The correct answer is it is a compound noun. The ninth one, wisdom is better than riches. The options are common noun, proper noun or abstract noun. The correct answer is abstract noun. The last one, Sam is staying with her aunt in London. You must have guessed it already. Well, the options are common noun, proper noun or abstract noun. The correct answer is it's a proper noun. What was your score today? Do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, as always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tune into the channel for more content. Until then, happy learning.